Hello and welcome. My name is James and I'm one of the electrical engineers here at 4B Brain Components. I'm here for a series of videos showing you how to use our cloud-based hazard monitoring solution, Hazardmon. Hazardmon is a secure hazard monitoring solution which provides status notifications and data login for bucket elevators and conveyors. It works with 4B's IE node, Watchdog Super Elite and T500 Elite hot bus hazard monitors, taking various inputs including belt speed, belt alignment and bearing temperature sensors. All of this together creates a monitoring solution providing real-time hazard monitoring, status notifications including alarm and notifications log with email alerts, and historical data login to any web-enabled device such as a smartphone, tablet, desktop or laptop computer. So where do we start and how does it work?
To start with, you'll need to purchase a license for each hazard monitor device. You can speak with us during the proposal stage of any project, or later down the line when all the equipment is installed and running.
All our contact details are on our website, go4b.com.
You will also need a Hazardmon account. You can either register on the Hazardmon website, hazardmon.com, where your details will be sent to us and we'll contact you to create your account, or we can discuss this direct, as mentioned before. Once your account is created, we'll send you your login details. I'll log in now and give you a quick overview.
So, once logged in, you'll see the home page. From here you can see the sites that you have set up. I'm currently logged into one of our office accounts, so I can see our UK office, as well as the testing site in the US. If I click on the UK office, you'll see each device allocated to the site. In this case, we have one of our Watchdog demo cases, which is currently offline. If I was to click on this device, we'd see the sensor dashboard, but I'll cover this in more detail in our second video. For now, let's look at how to set up a new monitor. We can add device monitors to your account from the factory before you receive them, or you can add them yourself when everything is set up and running on site. Let's do that now on one of our 4B test sites. So for this example, I'm going to add one of our Watchdog hazard monitors, which is currently being used on one of our demo elevators in our UK office. Click on the site you wish to add your Watchdog unit to, then click Add New Device. Here you can select the location, which in this instance is our 4B UK office. As you can see, we have our two different sites we can pick from. The serial number is on the yellow sticker on the front of the unit, highlighted here. The title is whatever you wish to call the device. Here we'll call it Demo Elevator 1. Next, you'll need the code, which you can find in the System Info page on the Watchdog. Go to the 9th page and you'll see the code there. Alternatively, it'll be on a sticker on the inside of the unit. You don't use the semicolons and the letter is small case, as seen here. Device type will obviously depend on what you're using, but we'll change that to the Watchdog, WDC4. And the UDF ID is the same as the code above. Once this is complete, click Add Device. You now have your hazard monitor set up on Hazardmon. In the next video, we'll go over the sensor dashboard within the Watchdog and you can see the advantages of this cloud-based monitoring system. Thank you for your time, and a link to the other videos in this series will be in the description below.